Ocean House, designed by Rob Mills Architecture and Interiors, is a remarkable retreat nestled along the edge of Lorne Beach in Victoria, Australia. Built as a weekend getaway for Rob Mills himself, his family, and friends, the house reflects Mills' philosophy of creating spaces that are deeply connected to nature. The minimalist interior design allows the stunning ocean views to dominate the visual experience, blending the simplicity of a humble beach home with the sophistication of modern architecture. Ocean House epitomizes Mills' vision of a sanctuary where tranquility and the natural environment are paramount. The house is spread across 3 levels, rising from a steep slope that lies between the ocean and a woodland area. Its 6 bedrooms are strategically positioned to make the most of the surrounding scenery, while the structure itself combines the solidity of concrete with the openness of glass and wood. The cylindrical concrete sections anchor the home firmly to its site, providing protection from the harsh ocean winds and the ambient noise of storms. Meanwhile, the transparent living areas bring a lightness to the design, offering seamless connections to nature. This interplay between strength and openness creates a unique harmony within the house. Ocean House is designed in 2 distinct volumes. One is a cuboid structure with concrete floors extending beyond the walls, and the other is a cylindrical form made of curved concrete. These 2 architectural forms complement each other, with the cuboid providing expansive views through floor-to-ceiling glass, while the cylinder offers a more enclosed and protected space. The bedrooms and living areas are spread between the ground and middle levels, allowing the home to be easily divided into separate properties if needed. The entrance, located on the top level, includes practical features such as a utility room and parking spaces, seamlessly integrated into the design. Mills' design is deeply responsive to the sensory experience of the site, recognizing the soothing sounds of the ocean and the calming presence of the adjacent forest. He places a strong emphasis on the importance of fresh air and natural light, ensuring that the home feels cool and airy while maintaining a sense of warmth and shelter. This connection to nature is not only visual but also experiential, with the home offering a serene environment that invites relaxation and contemplation. Ocean House is not just a weekend escape. It is a testament to Rob Mills' belief in creating spaces that foster a profound sense of peace and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Ocean House. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest architectural tours. Let us know in the comments what you found most inspiring about this incredible home, and stay tuned for more stunning designs from around the world.